guide, I will be showing you guys how to comment big sticker on TikTok. First up, what you will need to do is update your TikTok app. So launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. Once you update the app to its latest version, launch it. Now navigate to any of the posts. Head towards the comment section of it. Now here you're gonna find this sticker icon. Click on that. Now scroll all the way to the right. You're gonna find the sticker store icon. Click on that. And here you're gonna find tons of sticker option. Scroll down and select the sticker that you wanna use. Click on add. All of these stickers are the big ones. Once you are done, click on the option use. Now select any of the sticker to comment and send it. So this way you can easily use big stickers on TikTok comments. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.